you were to visit a home with a garage, it will be either built out of stone or stick built. In such a situation, it is easy to construct that kind of a garage because those are conventional building materials. What if you want to build a shipping container home where everything, including the garage, is built entirely out of shipping containers? In this video, we want to explore how you can build a shipping container garage despite the challenges that come with shipping containers that make such an exercise not as straightforward as it may sound. Here's the deal. Shipping containers are inherently modular and they have restrictive dimensions. In this regard, you cannot alter the dimensions of a shipping container other than using it as it is. In this video, we want to showcase 20 amazing shipping container home garages, and in some cases incorporating a hybrid of conventional materials. Stay tuned and enjoy. First, we look at Graceville Container House in Brisbane, Australia, built using 31 20-foot shipping containers, all new containers stacked up to 3 stories high, creating a big family house measuring 6,000 square feet. It includes 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a lot of terrace space. Worth noting is the front door and the garage door of the house. They are handmade using cedar offcuts, creating an amazing contrast to the monotony of industrial finishes on the front facade. Secondly, we look at the Royal Oak Container House in Michigan. This amazing house is built using 7 recycled shipping containers which are arranged in a horseshoe layout and stacked 2 stories high. It provides a big family house with 2,350 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage strategically located at the rear with a big retractable security door, and on top is a big rooftop terrace for the master bedroom. The next project we are looking at is the Kenneth River Container Home in Victoria, Australia, built using 10 shipping containers stacked 2 stories high, overlooking the Kenneth River and the ocean. This comprises of 8 containers for the main house and 2 20-foot containers that constitute the 2-car garage and the entrance lobby. The garage has got a big retractable door and is covered through and through using seasoned timber cladding, concealing the shipping containers beneath. The next project is the Gold Container Home, an amazing home nestled next to the mountain ranges in Arizona. This desert home is built using 4 shipping containers which are placed in 2 stacks, saddling a big open space in between, rising 2 stories high, creating over 3,000 square feet of a family residence with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a big 4-car garage with a workshop and additional storage on the ground floor level. Next, we look at the Brooder House, designed with a container garage next to a modern family home in Golden, Colorado, built on a hillside whereby the garage is located on the upper level, connected to the main residence via an elevated walkway. The garage is built using 7 20-foot shipping containers spread over 2 levels, creating a beautiful 2-car garage that has an amazing wooden door that folds upwards and is painted in dark colors to read as one unit. Next is the rim house located in northern Arizona. This beautiful house is elevated on a slope and it has amazing rural views. The main house is built using 3 45-feet shipping containers which are placed side by side and stitched together next to the main house, with its 3-car garage built using 3 20-foot shipping containers also arranged side by side, creating over 480 square feet of a garage space. The next project is the custom shipping container garage in Evergreen, Colorado, built using 2 20-foot shipping containers placed at right angles to saddle a 2-car garage with a workshop and some storage space. This amazing building is a standalone garage with the retractable garage doors plus a separate exit door to allow safe exit after parking. Prince Road Container House in Florida is also another amazing project. This 3-story whimsical shipping container home is built using 9 shipping containers which are placed side by side, and on the ground floor they encompass a 2-car garage and a workshop. The house has got a distinctive rustic brutal appearance, helping to tone down the size of the project and also to allow it to blend within the streetscape. Smithy Container House in St. Charles, Missouri is also a very conspicuous project. Up to around 90% of all the materials used in this project are recycled. Of course, we have shipping containers forming the main structure, and the building sits on a concrete base with a walkout basement that can accommodate a good number of cars plus additional living space and storage. We also have this amazing project in McCall, Idaho, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house built using shipping containers based on the Individuals Model 9 typology, and it also has a big 4-car garage and a workshop built next to it to complement the general function of the house. We have the Appleton Container House in Grand Chute, Michigan, an amazing single-story building with a H-shaped layout crafted from 2 53-foot containers and 2 40-foot containers, which gives you a whopping 3,000 square feet house with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Other projects featured in this video that qualify as shipping container garages with modern container home designs. We have this innovative Habitats modular home in Texas, built using 5 40-foot shipping containers. This modern home in Cedar Rapids, built using 4 45-foot shipping containers. We also have the Can House in New Orleans, built using 7 40-foot shipping containers stacked all up to 3 stories high. The beautiful Kiala House in Australia, built using 7 shipping containers. We have this modern courtyard container house in Illinois. We also have this amazing shipping container home in California, which has got a main house and a guest house as part of the property. The 2-story shipping container house with a concrete garage in Fanny, Canada is also an amazing project. We have this cozy family home by a young couple in Burgundy, France. Last but not least, the Bushland Beach Container House in Queensland, Australia gives us another example of a shipping container house with a garage attached next to it. Feel free to tell us, out of these 20 or so container homes, which one appeals to you the most. If you've been looking for shipping container projects, look no further. On this particular channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from all over the world, and feel free to subscribe so that you get to know what would be our next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.